This is a video design I'm working on, and I decide that no, I no longer want to work on this aspect ratio, which is landscape video. I want it to become a portrait video. So I decide to use this Resize tool. It's a pro feature, and if you can see, this is my Canva free account. It says upgrade to Canva Pro. If I click on this Resize, these are all the things I can do here, but it says get Canva Pro. It doesn't allow me to resize this. So to resize this design into a design I want to use, say I want to resize it into a portrait video, what I'm going to do is to come over to file here and click on create new design. Then I'll choose what new design. Either that I search this part, search what I want to do, mobile video or whatever design you want to do, or you just scroll down here to find what you're looking for. Maybe I choose Instagram story and it will redirect me into a new Canva blank document type, which is the portrait design. Now that we are in a new blank page, what I'm going to do is to quickly come over here where it says projects. If you come over to your project, it will be an all, so you can see everything you've designed, beginning from your design, your folders, your images, and your videos. But I'm just quickly going to go over to design, so it highlights all the design I'm working on. So if you look, this design here is this one we are working on. It doesn't have a name, and this is the one I opened previously. So what I'm going to do is just to click on the video, and it replaces what I have here. If you have more than one page on this particular design, it's going to open it and ask you which of them do you want to add to a new page. So I'm going to do is to close here and come over to this one and just spread it out like so. And I can move the text here, the caption here downwards. That way I have my design resized. Easy peasy. Subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this. Do have a good one.